friends, welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching the video of hotel. In this video, we will explain all the details about this hotel, like location, reviews, availability of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, and there's the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and reviews online that are given by guests who enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 8.0, which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Room category 1. You can see on the screen details like room size, room type, view, amenities, facilities, etc. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, all guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the hotel is first class and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Three categories of booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you